Oh, are you ready for this?
Yeah, I think so. I'm kind of nervous.
I know, me too. All right, you want to do the introduction and then I'll take over?
Yeah, okay. Um, what, like right now?
Yeah, go ahead. I think we're on.
Oh, hey! BOOZHOO Anishinaabe Dug. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe, and BOOZHOO to everyone, Gakina. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha, and now please welcome the star of the show.
Oh, get out of here, will ya?
Please welcome NANABOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie.
Oh, thank you very much. Hey, BOOZHOO, everybody. BOOZHOO Gakina. I'm very honored today to be here with you on the radio. And welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. And today's Ojibwe word of the day. Let's just start it off right. Makare mush kiki wabu. Black medicine water. Makare mush kiki wabu. Makare mush kiki wabu. Makare mush kiki wabu. You want to sing with me?
Oh, okay, sure. Makare mush kiki wabu. Makare mush kiki wabu. Niwi ayan.
Niwi ayan. Makare mush kiki wabu. Black medicine water. That's how the Ojibwe talked about coffee, eh?
That's right. Because in the Ojibwe way, medicine was something that makes you feel better. And of course, coffee's black and it's water.
Now, Natasha, what do you say to people who say, "Hey, wait a minute, I saw that bottle of water. It said Nibi. That means water in Ojibwe." What would you say to them?
Well, I would say, yeah, it is water, but it's also like cold water or whatever. Wabu is like sipping water. Wabu.
All right, so there you go. Makare mush kiki wabu. And that's black medicine water or coffee. Oh, well, hey, let's get out of here. This is even longer than I thought we were supposed to do. So let me, I just want to say miigwech for listening to. Miigwech Bizendawi Yag. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
the podcast
about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO.
And I am Natasha.
And I will see you again. Gigawaba min.
Minawa.
Hoa.
Hoa.
Oh, all right, that went pretty good.
Oh, yeah. It's long, though.
I know. Who cares? Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! And welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and with me in the studio today, the lovely and the talented
Oh, jeez.
Natasha. Ikadam BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone.
And today, we got something really special planned for today, don't we, sweetie?
That's right. Today, on a BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, we're going to teach you how to count to 10 in Ojibwe Moan.
That's right. All right, so to get started, let's just really quickly, I'm gonna say the English, sweetie, and you say the Ojibwe.
Okay.
All right, starting off. 1,
Beijing.
2,
Nij.
3,
Niswe.
4,
Niwin.
5,
Nanin.
6,
Ningod waswi.
7,
Nij waswi.
8,
Nish waswi.
9,
Jangaswi.
and 10.
Mitaswi.
Oh, wow, that was really good, sweetie. All right, so then we worked up something really special for you. And I don't know how this works, but copyright lawyers, come and get me. You ready, sweetie?
Yeah, go ahead.
Bejig nijne sweeney win. Nanin and gold was we. Nij was we. Nish was we. Janga swe and mitta swe. We will teach you how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. Moen,
Everybody,
we will teach you how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. Moen, Bejig nijne sweeney win. Nanin and gold was we. Nij was we. Nish was we. Janga swe and mitta swe. We will teach you how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. Moen,
sing it!
we will teach you how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. Moen,
Everybody.
oh,
I thought we were
all right. Bejig, Nij, Niswe, Niwin, Nanin, Ningodwaswe, Nijwaswe, Nishwaswe, Jangaswe, and Middaswe. And that's how you count to 10 in Ojibwe Moen. All right. Well, I hope you liked our song. You want to add anything here before we sign out, sweetie?
No, that was pretty good.
Okay then. Well, I just want to say, Miigwech Bizandawieg. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is Natasha. I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Oh, wah. Oh, jeez. That was really good, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Oka hey, BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe do. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. And welcome back to
BOOZHOO
NANABOOZHOO,
NANABOOZHOO.
the podcast.
About Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha.
And I am NANABOOZHOO. And today, oh wow, we got a really good Ojibwe word of the day. You want to tell them what the word is, sweetie?
Sure. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe jikan. Blueberry pie.
That's right. And we, it's really hard to learn Ojibwe sometimes when they're really long words like that. So Natasha and I put together a couple of chords. We wrote a little song to help you learn it. So, Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani. And how that translates is like, Mina is blueberry. Mina bashki mina sagani is like blueberry sauce. And then, Mina bashki mina sagani, batusi jikani bakwe jigan. Batusi jikani bakwe jigan is like pie. So, here's our song and we hope you like it. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi jikani bakwe jigan. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe jigan. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe jigan. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe jigan.
spoke Ojibwe, so I had to say,
Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Yeah, mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Hey. Hoka hey. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Blueberry pie. And you have been listening to
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha.
And I am NANABOOZHOO. And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin.
Minawa. Hoa.
All right, good job, sweetie.
Hoa.